Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got tracking for my Boxycharm boxes for the month, so this is going to be the last July spoiler video going into the final items that just got revealed and nearly an entire full box reveal, the works. We're jumping into everything. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to talk about Boxycharm, makeup, spoilers, things that are coming to this month's July Boxycharm boxes, both base and premium. Stay tuned. Alright, so I am going to link two videos up above, which are both the current detailed spoiler videos I have, one of which is an entire breakdown of every single item coming in the Boxycharm Premium Anastasia Beverly Hills Takeover. It includes liners, brow products, the two big palettes. It's actually not this one, it's the orange one or the purple one, but the formula is the same, so I have used them, so you get a lot of detail on every single product in the lineup and a bunch of base spoilers as well. However, because it's the 3rd of the month, and when you guys see this, it'll actually be under the 4th of July, so happy July 4th. But we do have some new spoilers as well. So I do want to round up all of the additional base box spoilers because there's quite a few of them that have recently come up. So I do have my notes on my phone. So first, because I've already done a very extensive video on premium, I'm going to concentrate on base. First, the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Cleanser. I have already spoken about at length. I have the product. I do really enjoy the product. It is nice and foaming without being stripping. It's oil-free, so it's not going to make you look greasy throughout the day, but it is great for people even if you are more on the oily side. What I will say is you definitely will need to remove your makeup first. Go in with a cleansing balm because this is not a double cleanser. This is a singular cleanser. It does have papaya enzyme and a lot of great nourishing ingredients for brightening the skin and improving skin health. But you definitely will need to add in a balm or makeup remover first, whether that's the Pharmacy Green Clean or the Juno Cleansing Balm or any of those. Anything will work as long as you're taking your makeup off before you use the cleanser. The item I'm the most excited to get in the base box, I have no qualms about admitting, is the Alamar Bronzer Trio. I would like all three colors because I'm really excited. It comes in light, medium, and deep, just like the blushes, which I have been a huge fan of ever since they launched them in the box like 2.5 years ago. Alamar has some amazing formulas, and that like contour, bronze, and brighten trio is definitely up my alley. I want to see them in person because I've only seen them online so far, and what I will say is online, they all look like they lean very warm. Obviously, you can tell I am very cool tone. I'm very glowy today too, which like I don't even know. I'm not oily, I'm just glowy, so I must have used something extra hydrating. Anyway, they all look very golden, very glowy, and not glowy, I'm sorry. They all look very golden, very on the yellow side, which I'm more cool toned, I'm very pink, so it might not work for me, but I do want to get it in person to see it in person and really give it a try, because a lot of these colors, when you look at them, you know, they're pretty universal. I can definitely bronze and contour with that. It's just whether or not that brightening shade will work for me. One of the newer spoilers we found out is one that I actually did use today. It is the Flower Setting Powder Better Not Bitter from Beauty Bakery. It is a translucent powder. It is very finely milled, so it is a true translucent. I'm going to take a tiny bit and just kind of use that to touch up the face a little bit, add a tiny bit, and you'll see it doesn't add color or coverage. It just takes down shine and makes everything a little bit matter. Lately, I have really not been loving loose powders. I've been really into pressed powders because I feel like I get less product on the brush. But you see how easy that took down a little bit of that glow, a little bit of the extra shine, and made everything look a little bit more airbrushed. That is what I love about this powder because it is so finely milled that it takes down shine, it sets everything beautifully, and on a large fluffy brush, this is the Powder and Go from Farrah brushes. I got it in last month's Ipsy. It just lightly sets everything down and makes everything feel perfected. Actually, side note, love this for bronzer and contour. So you will probably see me using this brush with my Alamar Trio when it comes in. The next item that we got, I will put a picture on the screen because I don't have it in front of me. It is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patch. New to Boxycharm, the marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior that is dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When it's applied to the delicate skin around the eye area, it helps to firm, soothe, plump, brighten like nothing else. I'm excited to try this because I do love under eye patches. Recently, I've really enjoyed the ones that we got in Boxycharm last month, which were from one size. And normally I would say I don't like getting an item back to back in the same product category like that. But since I've already used up my one size patches, I'm excited to get more. I have loved the Wander Beauty eye patches for years. Good Molecules has a really affordable eye, similar to this. It's like a tub with those eye patches. I also really like the Peter Thomas Roth gold eye patches too. So I just really like eye patches, I guess. So I am really excited to try these out, and I'm hoping I get them in my base box. And from Outre, it is the 8-in-1 CBD Leave-In Conditioner. I do have a picture right here. It is a miracle leave-in styling aid that packs 8 powerful benefits into one bottle, enhancing body and manageability, detangling hair, fighting frizz, and protecting from environmental damages, while balancing moisture and adding nutrients to refresh the hair and add shine. I am really, really specific about what I put in my hair. I don't like a lot of heavy products, and I don't typically use CBD in anything. So I'm happy to take a look at the ingredients a little bit more up close to see if it's something I would enjoy getting. But as of right now, that's probably the item I'm least excited for. And the last news spoiler we have is from Alleyoop. It is a 4-in-1 makeup pen. It's one of those like old-fashioned clicky pens with 4 different colors so that you can use it for multiple things. The Pen Pal is convenient for 4 essential products in one easy-to-use, easy-to-stash click pen. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. The pen is brand new to Boxycharm, and all boxes will include the color Make a Mauve. So I am going to pull up their website and just get a little bit more details in what the pen is. So it is for when you need a quick touch-up on the go. This is coming directly from their website. And you don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you. It is convenient for essential products. Comes in 3 very wearable shades. These ones are all coming in Make a Mauve, which comes with a black and brown liner, a champagne, it looks like highlighter, so something to touch up glow, and a mauve. So this is for when your liner tip isn't long enough to use. Twist the center to dispense more of the shade. So it is twist up, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, etc. That is awesome. So there's not a lot of details as to what to use it for. Obviously, I feel like the mauve would be more of a lip liner. The brown and black are more eyeliners. Depending on the universal quality of it, it could also be used in the brows, I'm assuming. And the champagne seems to have a little bit of shine to it. So something to either add some glow or potentially inner corner. So you get like lip and eye. But I'm not entirely positive on that because it's not, I mean, it's liners, but I feel like throughout the day, I need to touch up my blush because I feel like blush disappears throughout the day. I need to touch up my lip. I don't really find that I need to add eyeliner on. I mean, I'm wearing the brown liner today from Beauty For Real. I also actually used from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the Golden Hour palette, also from Beauty For Real. And I love how the eyes look. It's been about 4 hours since this is on, and like my liner hasn't gone anywhere. So I don't know if people are just not using great liners, that they feel like they need to touch it up throughout the day. That's not a problem I really experience. I understand needing more lip or finding like my cheek has faded a little bit because blush notoriously disappears. But other than that, I feel like I just powdered, and I still don't feel like my liner needs to be touched up, you know? Anyway, the next video I post will probably be a full-on Boxycharm unboxing, so I do not anticipate doing any more spoilers for the month because that's a wrap. Like, the boxes are coming, we're about to find out what's in there, and I cannot wait to get my hands on the box. Let me know what you're excited for down below, and I will see you all in my base and premium unboxings in like a day or so. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.